Good morning, students. Yes, students, today our topic is integers. So, first we'll discuss what are integers. Yes, students, as you know, when we add two whole numbers, the result is whole number. For example, we add 3 plus 5. Result is 8. 3 and 5 both are whole numbers. So result is 8. So when we add two whole numbers, then result is always a whole number. Same as students when we subtract two whole numbers. 5 minus 3. Result is 2. Once again, result is a whole number. 5 and 3 both are whole numbers, and 2 is also a whole number. Uh, but when we subtract 3 minus 5, what will be? Yes, friends. In first, we'll add 3 plus 5, result is 8. 3, 5, 8. All are whole numbers. 5, 3, 2. 5 minus 3, result is 2. 5, 3, 2. Once again, these are whole numbers. But when we subtract 3 minus 5, when we subtract greater number, uh, when we subtract greater number into smaller number, then result is 5 minus 3 is 2, but it is minus 2, because we are subtracting greater number from smaller number. So result is 2, but here 2 is a negative number. Clear? Basically, what are integers? The group of positive and negative integers are known as an integers. Clear, students? So what are integers? The group of positive and negative numbers is known as integers. So what are integers? For example, minus 2, minus 3, minus 100, 0, 57, 2, 48. These all are integers. Students, a group of positive and negative integers are negative numbers are known integers. Clear, students? Next we'll discuss what are positive integers and what are negative integers. First, positive integers. Positive integers one, 2, 3, these all integers are positive integers. Next is negative integers. Negative integers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 up to these all are negative integers. So main then numbers with negative sign, minus sign, these are negative integers, and the numbers which don't have any sign, 2, 3, 4, 100, 5, 6, all these are positive integers. So these are positive integers and these are negative integers. The numbers which having negative sign, minus sign, are known as negative integers. So next is 0 is also integers. 0 is also an integer which is neither positive nor negative. So बेटा 0 जो है वो पॉजिटिव भी नहीं है, वो नेगेटिव भी नहीं है. Clear, students? So negative integers, the numbers which have negative sign, are known as negative integers, and the numbers which don't have any sign, for example 1 2 3 4 5 48 40, these all are positive integers. 0 is also an integer which is neither negative nor positive. Clear, students? Next is, yes students, as you know, our whole numbers are arranged in ascending order. Suppose we have a number line and 0 is at middle. This point exists on 0. 0 is existing in this point. Clear? So as you know students, our all whole numbers are arranged in ascending order, like 1, 2, 3, 4 up to these are integers. But in the negative integers, these are arranged in descending order. -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. Yes, students. Our positive highest positive integer, smallest positive integer is 1. Your positive smallest integer is 1. You can't find the highest positive integers. Same students, in negative integers we know the highest negative integer, and we can't find the smallest negative integer because these are countless. Clear, students? Next point, when we show when we show an integer on number line, there is 0. Positive integers exist on right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So positive integers lies on right hand side and negative integers lies on left hand side. -2, -3, -4 and so on. Clear, students? Next is how we can add and subtract these integers. For addition and subtraction, we will follow the 4 rules. First, plus, plus, plus. Second is minus, minus, plus. Third is plus, minus, minus. Fourth is minus, plus, minus. We follow these rules for addition and subtraction of an integers. Plus plus is equal to plus. It means if we have two positive integers, first integer is, for example, first integer is 3 positive and second integer is 4. Now add these integers, 3 plus 4 plus plus plus. Then we will add these integers. Then result is 7. Next, minus, minus, plus. If we have two negative integers, then how we can add these integers? We will add them. For example, we have -3 and -4. Now add these integers. -3 plus -4. Now add these two integers minus. Now we have now both integers are negative. Minus 3 and minus 4. Now add these two integers minus 3 plus minus 4. Now first integer as it is. Next we have two signs plus minus. First is positive, second is negative. Plus minus minus. Now once again minus 3 and minus 4. Minus minus plus. Minus minus plus. So add 4 plus 3 is 7. So in this case our result is minus 7. Clear, students? Next is third point, plus minus minus. Suppose our first integer is positive and second is negative, then result we will subtract. Same, first integer is positive, then second integer is negative. This is first example, second and third example. Now in third example, we have our first integer is positive and our second integer is negative. Now add these integers, right? 3 plus minus 4. 3 plus minus 4. 3 plus minus plus minus minus. So write here minus 4. Now 3 minus 4 is 1, sign is negative. Three minus 4, result is, when we subtract 4 from 3, then result is 1, but 1 is positive or negative. You can consider that 3 and 4. 3 is positive and 4 is negative. So in answer, sign is always with greater number, minus 4, minus 1. Clear, students? Next is minus plus minus. Suppose our first integer is negative and second is positive. Let us consider one more example. First integer is negative. First integer is minus 3 and second integer is 4, positive. Now add these two integers, minus 3 plus 4. Minus plus minus. 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. Now observe which number is greater, minus 3 or 4? 4 is greater. So it's a positive. So result will be positive. Clear, students? Basically, when we add and subtract the integers, we will follow these rules. First rule is plus plus plus, minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus plus minus. These are 4 examples by which I explain how these operations we can use. First, both integers are positive, then add, result is 7. In second case, both integers are negative. Now add these negative integers. Once again, the result is 7, but it's minus 7. Minus 7. Now in third example, our first integer is positive and second is negative. 3 and 4. First is positive, second negative. Now add 3 plus minus 4. Plus minus minus. Now here sign is minus. Now 3 minus 4, result is 1. 1. But either it is negative or positive. 3 and 4. Greater number is 4. And 4 is with negative sign. So the answer will be negative, -1. Next is -3 and 4. Now, in this case, our first integer is negative and second is positive. -3 plus 1. Now, once again, minus plus minus. Minus plus minus. So, 4 minus 3 is 1. So, result is 1. Now, observe, which is it one positive or negative? 3 and 4. 4 is greater and 4 is positive sign. So, result will be positive. So, result is +1. Clear, students? Yes, friends. Now we will consider few questions for addition and subtraction of an integers. My first example is evaluate just wait. First example is evaluate 4 plus -5. 4 plus -5. Now, 4 is positive and 5 is negative. Now, write plus plus plus, minus minus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus minus. These are 4 rules which we use to solve this equation. Next is, first write 4 as it is. Next we have two signs, plus minus, plus minus. Now plus minus minus, then sign minus 5. Clear? Now 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5. We are subtracting greater number from smaller number. First 5 minus 4 result is 1. Now note, 1 is positive or negative. 4 is positive number, 5 is negative integer. So 5 is greater and our greater number is with negative sign. So result will be -1. Clear, students? Next is second example, -4 plus 5. -4 plus 5. -4 plus 5. Now, minus plus. First is negative, second integer is positive. Minus plus. Minus plus is minus. Minus plus is minus. So, subtract 5 from 4. Then result is 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now, 1 is positive. 1 should be positive or negative. Now compare this number. This is 4. This number is 5. 5 is greater. And a greater number is with positive sign. So result is +1. Clear, students? Now let us consider one more example. And third is -8 plus -14. -8 plus -14. Now, first write -8 as it is. Then sign is plus minus, plus minus, plus minus, minus, plus minus, minus. So write here -40. Yes, students. Now we have both integers negative, -8 and -14. Minus minus plus, minus minus plus. Now add 14 plus 8 is 22. 14 plus 8 result is 22. Now compare this. First integer is 8, second is 14. Greater number is 14 and our greater number is with negative sign. So answer is -22. Clear, students? Next is 4 -35 plus -47. -35 plus -47. First, this is -35 as it is. Now we have plus minus, plus minus, plus minus, minus. So write here -47. Now we have -35 and -47. Both are negative. Minus minus, minus minus plus. Now add these integers. 35 plus 47, 82. 35 plus 47, then result is 82. Now, note, is 82 positive or negative? First number is 35, second is 47. 47 is greater and our greater number is with negative sign. Greater number with negative sign. So, result will be negative. So, your answer is -82. Clear, students? Next, few more examples. Evaluate. Fifth part is 4 minus -2. 4 minus -2. Now, first, write first integer as it is. Then minus minus, minus minus is plus 2. Now 4 plus 2 is 6. So your answer is 6. Clear, students? Next, -4 minus -2. First it is as it is -4 minus 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 plus. Now we have first negative integer and second positive. Minus plus minus. 4 minus 2, result is 2. 4 minus 2, result is 2. Now, note, is 2 positive or negative? First number is 4. Second is 2. Greater is 4. And our greater number is with negative sign. So, result will be negative. Minus 2. So, our answer is minus 2. Clear, students? Next, find the value of first is 6 minus 9 plus 4. Find the value of 6 minus 9 plus 4. Now, first we'll solve this part. 6 minus 9. 6 minus 9. 6 is positive, 9 is negative. So, plus minus minus. So, we will subtract 6 from 9 from 6. 9 minus 6 is, result is 3. Result is 3. 9 minus 6, result is 3. Now, is it a negative or positive? First, this is a positive integer, this is a negative integer. And our greater number is 6 and 9. Compare both. Greater is 9 and our greater integer is with negative sign. So, result should be negative. Minus 3 plus 4. Plus 4 as it is. Now solve minus 3 plus 4. Now we have minus plus. Minus plus minus. So 4 minus 3, result is 1. Now either 1 is positive or negative. Now compare these 3 and 4. 4 is greater number and our greater number is with positive sign. So result should be 1 plus 1. Thank you. Have a nice day.